Today I will show you LibreConnect. LibreConnect is an application that allows you to use your Arduino on your local network. So you can use your phone, your computer to control electronic objects like LED, a radio transceiver, a sensor, anything that you can plug on an Arduino. LibreConnect works on Windows, Linux, and a Raspberry Pi. I will show you how to install LibreConnect on Windows. There is two versions, a portable version and an installer. Unfortunately, the installer is recognized as a virus, so you will need to disable your antivirus. So I will focus on the portable version. You just need to download it and extract it. LibreConnect doesn't need to be installed or to be set up. Just launch usbscanner.exe and it works. However, there is parameter to enable SSL crypt communication and password, and also to use it locally, so your Arduino are only accessible on the machine where they are plugged. So as you can see, LibreConnect detected two Arduino, humidity and temperature sensor, and LEDs. So once you have connected your Arduino, we can access it in a web browser. So here you can see the data from the temperature and humidity sensor. The first data is the humidity in percent, the second data is the temperature in Celsius, and the third data is the luminosity in a range from 0 to 1024. So to show you what you can do with LibreConnect, I'm going to use example I made that are available on madnerd.org. So here is all the prototypes that are available on madnerd.org. So click on the one you want to use and you will have access to the documentation, code, and example on how to use it. Let's see our temperature and humidity sensor on a web interface. So this interface is only a static HTML file. This means you don't need a web server to use it. You can change the IP address of your Arduino. Since our Arduino is plugged on your computer, we are using localhost, which is the default setup. So here's an example to control LEDs. And finally, an example of an home automation interface to control multiple radio protocol. So we have 423 MHz radio appliance, power outlets and bulbs, and MyLight bulbs. We control the MyLight bulbs directly. We don't need the Wi-Fi gateway provided with the lamps. All the interface is saved inside the local storage of your web browser, so you can create all the buttons for your home automation. So as I said, it's a static HTML file, so if you download LibreInterface, you can see the interface locally without a web server. So let's see a little bit what are inside the GitHub repository for each object. I'm going to download the LED objects. So inside each object there is the Arduino code and the library necessary to make it works, documentation, schematics and photo, and the 3D case, so you can print your own case for each prototype. The case was made by Olivier Sarai on Blender, a free 3D software. They are also, as for the documentation, open source. Finally, there is application to use your prototype. So here you can see the LED remote to control LED, but we also have JavaScript code you can use with Tasker. Tasker is an Android application you can use to control your phone. For example, I can make LED blink when I receive a call or an SMS. You also have a command you can use to control LED directly on the serial monitor of your Arduino, or to change the color and make animation with your LED. So here is the documentation for the temperature and humidity sensor. So that's it for this quick tour of LibreConnect, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.